Hello lovers of Wicked Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, watch me as I install this hair with nothing but spray, no glue, and have your hair looking like this, completely melted and perfect. So let's get first. You're going to prep your hairline. Just get any cotton and rubbing alcohol and clean your hairline. Make sure you get rid of any particles that can disrupt your melt or your install. Then you're going to go in with any spray glue of your choice. I use Got2b, you can use Eben, you can use any spray glue of your choice. Then you're going to spray it around the circumference of your hair. And if you have any drippings, just make sure you clean it out so you can prevent fly over hairs from getting to it and kind of ruining your process. So since I was in a haste, I used my blow dryer on cold setting to kind of speed up the process. So what you want to do is make sure it's dry, but not too dry, kind of like tacky or sticky. So after that, you're going to go in with your second layer. So you can go in with as many layers as you wish, depending on how long you want your install to last. I just needed this to last for maybe 2 or 3 days, so I didn't go in with a lot. So guys, it's a detailed video, so I'm going to be showing each and every thing I do to get my install laid and looking so melted with nothing but spray. So bear with me if this video is a little bit long, but you are going to learn a lot and you're going to install your own hair like a pro. So just make sure you keep watching. Please like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you're going to be updated on any videos I post. And you can also check out my video on how I made this wig from scratch. So yeah, so now that it's tacky, you're going to bring your wig down, kind of just place it on it, but don't press it down, so that you can see how it sits and see if you have to make any adjustments or anything like that. So I start from the corners because I noticed that the corners always chase me a lot. And also one more tip, to get this laid perfectly, it might help if you do it in sections. Maybe you section the middle part of your hair first and you apply your glue, then you go to the sides. So when I'm done, I'm going to take my melting spray and I'm going to mix with my lace tint. If you have any foundation of your shade, you can also apply to it, and you mix everything together. So while doing that, your glue is getting dry on your hair as well. Then I'm going to dab it on the lace. So you could tie this with your elastic band before you do this, but like I said, I was in a haste, so I had to do everything at once. So I let the glue dry, and then I went in with my lace tint and my melting spray, and I just dabbed it on the hairline. Then I went in with my hair band after it's dry, of course, obviously, please. And you can see this is after taking it out. As you can see, it's really looking very melted. So we're going to kind of fix her baby face, which I decided to let go. So now we are going to go in from any other adjustments. So you're going to notice that some places might be lifting. Don't bother, we are going to fix that. So any area that is lifting or is still visible, you could go in with your melting spray. If your melting spray has some glue adhesive in it, or you could go in with your glue, your spray glue, and just tap on the areas you want to make adjustments, so like I'm doing. So I'm going to this other section and I'm going to blow dry it, because like I said, I was in a haste. You could always allow your hair to get dry on its own. So after doing that, I'm going to go in with my elastic band as well again. So I decided to do 2 layers of this so I could get it melted perfectly. So when the first layer is dry, I'm going to go in with the second layer while using my blow dryer on cold, so it can speed up the process. So now that we are done and that is dry, we are going to go in with our pan one more time. I'm going to double it just because why not? So I'm going to kind of do some little thing with the sides. I didn't really have time on my side, so I was just freestyling. Our main focus was the install, so ignore whatever I'm doing. In case you need a detailed video on how to style your hair, make sure you check out my page. I post amazing hairstyle ideas for you to use, so your wig is not looking boring all the time you step out. So make sure you check it out. So I'm just going to comb my hair out with a white tooth comb. So when using this hot comb, be careful guys. I'm terrified of this hot comb. Like, it gives me nightmares losing it. So just make sure you're careful. And you could use ear protectors as well to protect your ears from stories that touch. So okay, we're just doing this so our lace can properly melt. So I'm going to take it down, and as you can see, it's melted to perfection. I hope you found this video useful. Please make sure you like and you subscribe. Check out my other videos. I post amazing tutorials, and make sure you turn on your notification so you can be updated when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.